Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 GMC Savana van, a true powerhouse that combines rugged capability, cutting-edge technology, and next-level comfort in one stunning package. Whether you're using it for business, travel, or family adventures, the 2026 Savana proves that a van can be powerful, luxurious, and incredibly versatile all at once. So buckle up. This is the future of vans. The first thing you'll notice about the new Savana is its bold and confident exterior. GMC has completely reimagined its design with a more aerodynamic body, a wide and aggressive grille, and signature LED lighting that gives it a commanding presence on any road. The chrome accents and modern alloy wheels add that premium look, while the redesigned body lines enhance efficiency and style. This van doesn't just move, and it makes a statement wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana is a performance beast. GMC gives you multiple options, including a powerful 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine, a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, and an all-new electric variant for those seeking zero-emission performance. The electric version delivers instant torque and an impressive 300-mile range on a full charge, making it both practical and sustainable. Whether you need to tow, haul, or cruise across the country, the Savana is engineered to handle it all with ease and strength. Step inside, and the transformation is even more impressive. The cabin now feels more like a luxury SUV than a van. GMC has gone all out on interior quality. Soft touch materials, premium leather seating, and a fully digital dashboard. A massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen takes center stage, featuring the latest GMC IntelliLink system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The new sound insulation technology makes the cabin whisper quiet, and the dual-zone climate control ensures every passenger rides in comfort. But the real magic lies in its flexibility. The 2026 Savana can be configured in countless ways, from a heavy-duty cargo van to a comfortable family transporter, or even a full-fledged luxury camper. The seats can be folded, removed, or rotated to suit your lifestyle. For travelers and van life enthusiasts, GMC's modular design makes it perfect for custom builds, complete with sleeping areas, a kitchenette, and storage space. When it comes to safety, GMC didn't hold back. The Savana now features advanced driver assist technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These smart features make long drives safer and easier, giving you confidence on every journey. The 2026 GMC Savana isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention of what a van can be. It combines raw power with refined comfort, futuristic technology with proven reliability, and professional utility with family-friendly luxury. GMC has taken a classic and given it a 21st century makeover that sets a new benchmark for vans in its class. So, what do you think? Has GMC just built the ultimate all-purpose van of 2026? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive reviews, updates, and future vehicle deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.